yo. I'm in Hue. Managed to get here. Managed to get to my homestay. I got to my homestay. Arrived there, and I was like checking in, and they were like, for tonight? And I was like, yeah. I was a last minute booking. And they were like, oh, sorry, we're full tonight. And he was like, oh, but I can bring you to another homestay at the same price and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, sure, thanks for helping me out. Because I had only booked the homestay. I hadn't like paid for it. So, and it was really last minute. So I don't know, I don't know. The guys that were at my original homestay were super nice. I got here. It was this, Viet mom, super cute, friendly. So yeah, I'm in my room, looks nice. So yeah, the nicest sheets. Oh, Finland. Oh, no, but like, oh nice, wild animals. Nice, nice. But yeah, got water, got hangers, got marble wannabe floor. Got mirror, got TV, and also look at this. Pretty dope, huh? So I guess this is the bathroom. This is the first time that I see it. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, okay. Okay. What's the view like? Well, there isn't much of a view, but still a vibe. Good morning from Hue. I'm now on my way to the Imperial City, which is the main attraction of Hue. But before the actual Imperial City over there, like all these buildings are so pretty, and these streets too. Like Hue is a really nice. This is also like one of those like heritage sites that so like all the buildings and whatever are like they can't be reconstructed, so it's all really authentic and yeah, really nice, really beautiful. So basically there are these crossings over to the Imperial like square, I'd almost say. Like it's just a legit like a squared off place that's just like surrounded by water. And you cross by Volcano Bridge at several points. So let's enter the Imperial City. Already like that. This is some crazy stuff. But yeah, so you can have like tours and whatever. But I think I'll just walk around by myself.
Outside main entrance, buy ticket.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. So I guess it's like only one main entrance where you buy the tickets to the place. It's 150 dong. And it's gonna spend like the whole day here exploring, because I'm flying to Hanoi later in the evening today. So I'll go to the airport at like 6-ish, because I'm not taking another sleeper bus. Like legit, that last one threw me off so bad. Like the ride was really not good. The space was super limited. You could not like lay comfortably. It was 10 hours, and now to Hanoi it would be 12 hours. So like, no, I'm flying and I'm there in an hour. Surely the price is like 6-7 times more than a bus, but still 80 euros is worth it. Somebody commented online like Vietnam gets better and better the more north you go, and I can fully approve. Like that's my taste, at least. Like I can fully approve that the views, the traditions, like everything, the people too, and like kind of the traffic, like everything just gets more chill and gets more, I don't know what to say, like humble the more north you go. I know there's some bashing going on in between the north and the south still to this day, but since I'm not Viet, I don't have an opinion. I just like the north. So I guess I found the main entrance. Dude, it looks so sick. People are dressing up, by the way. Like they have their traditional costumes on. Oh, they're at the ticket booth. My bad. But yeah, so like they had the traditional costumes on. But now I can't see anybody wearing it. But it's really beautiful. It looks really nice. So these like cicadas are everywhere. But yeah, so nice. It's been a few days actually since I've filmed anything and actually done anything. Yesterday I spent all day at the hotel just trying to recover from this damn flu that I still got going on. And the day before that I basically did nothing either. I walked around the old town. Anyway, the area that I stay at, had a quick look. It wasn't too much fun, to be honest, but today I met up with Lara that so I joined a lot of like solo traveling groups on Facebook before starting traveling, and like she made a post in one of the groups, and
That's a good thing to do,
right? And like, I don't know, like she shoots analog film and her Instagram was aesthetic as fuck, and I was like, okay, cool, I'll probably vibe with her. So yeah, so I commented. Now we're here exploring Hanoi together.
Yeah, we're doing a walking tour now.
Walking tour for a few hours should be good. I actually wanted to do a walking tour in Hanoi, so this worked out perfectly. But yeah, so we were just at the train tracks at a section that the train doesn't run at, but that's enough for me. The tracks were good enough. Maybe I'll go back to see the train someday, I don't know, maybe. But yeah, we're just exploring, walking. Just wanted to update real quick. And yeah, walking tour has started. We're here with Jack and Minh, and we're here at the first stop at the Frog Park, yeah? So we're here at the Frog Park, and so she just explained about the Vietnamese dragon, I guess like dragon Lara, I guess. Like I did not know that the body is like a snake. I mean the scales are like a snake scales, and the head is like a dragon, like a lion. And what was the last thing? What was the last thing about the dragons? Like it was a snake body, lion head, and
Fish bill and the leg from the like crocodile or tiger. Like.
some Mina said it best. You heard her. Anyway, so yeah, that's cool. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so Min just explained that people usually decorate their house with a green dragon and a white tiger in their house. And you know, standing like this, I got the dragon on my left and I got the white tiger on my right. And that's pretty crazy because I got a tiger tattooed on my right side and a dragon tattooed on my left side. So basically I'm protected and I got the whatever, like luck and power, so a protected power, which is pretty fucking crazy. What do you mean? That's like the only word you hear in like Vietnam. Mình. Oh.
Ôi trời ơi.
Đủ mã là nuốt luôn.